Hi, I'm Jason Wagner, the engineering manager here at eSwitch, and today I'd like to introduce a new product to you, the TL6400. The TL6400 is another single-pole, single-throw momentary tact switch specifically designed for surface mount applications. This rectangular tactile switch measures 6 by 3.5 millimeters with a 0.15 millimeter travel and features a J-bend termination style. As with most tact switch products, it comes conveniently packaged in tape and reel for speedy installation onto the printed circuit board. There are 2 actuator heights that can be chosen, either a 4.3 or a 5 millimeter option, depending on your requirements. 2 actuation forces are also available, a 160 gram force option with 50,000 life cycles, as well as a 260 gram force option with 30,000 life cycles. Whatever options you choose, the TL6400 comes with an IP67 rating, offering protection against dust and airborne particles and temporary submersion in water. This, paired with an operating and storage temperature range of -40 to +85 degrees Celsius, makes the TL6400 an excellent choice for numerous industries and applications. If you want to learn more about the TL6400 or any of our other products, head on over to e-switch.com. Thank you for watching.